there's two big dimensions to ethical impact. The first dimension is your customers will only buy from you if they know that you're taking ethics in the broad sense of the term very seriously, and that you act on it and create products and experiences which are, again, sustainable. The other dimension, which is equally important, is you won't get the talent you need to come and work with you unless you're able to show them a purpose, and to show them that you care about them, but you also care about the things they care about.
Ethical standards matter to us because they are demanded by our customers. Also, they help us comply with the regulatory standards in a given geography, and it helps us ensure that our businesses are sustainable.
Reuse of environmental resources, reuse of waste, thinking about how you take data to actually reduce waste, how you look at data to show yourself as being carbon neutral, as producing products that are sustainable, is all very critical to survive tomorrow.
Manufacturers can do several things to improve on their sustainable procedures and sustainable business practices. We are in the technology space and we produce new and innovative products. One of the ways we can do this is to build a more, not just a robust, but a scalable platform, which does not have to be changed out every time technology changes.
They'll need to spend a lot more time connecting, predicting, adapting. And as they move in that direction, manufacturers will thrive by 2025 by becoming what we call instinctive enterprises.